So, you've stumbled across tricksroll.com maybe for an online game or promo, and now you're wondering, is it actually legit or just another scam trap? Let's break it down real quick. Quick disclaimer before we begin: everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, tricksroll.com looks flashy, but it's raising some eyebrows. On Scam Advisor, it is flagged to be with a very low trust score, warning users to proceed carefully. Another scam from Grind and Soft also suggests potential security risks, so that's two red flags right there. We also checked Trustpilot, but unfortunately, there are no reviews or ratings listed yet, which means there is very little to go off from actual users. Without real reviews and with multiple scam warnings online, tricksroll.com doesn't seem fake or cut. Tricksroll.com doesn't seem safe right now. Until there's more verified user feedback, it's best to stay away, especially if they're asking for personal or financial info. And that's it for today's quick review. If you've used tricksroll.com and lived to tell the tale, drop your experience in the comments, like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of sketchy sites.